My wife has got her nemesis.
This is my nemesis. I don't like plastic wrap.
She don't like plastic wrap.
Shut up. Be sweet to me.
That is pudding, by the way. If y'all
Are you really?
If you need it to be clear, that is pudding in the bowl.
You're really filming it.
Sugar-free pudding.
No way.
You did good with it.
No way. It's not perfect though. Well,
See?
you just have to say it. Go away. Go away. Go.
No, I'm recording this.
Go away.
See, it did good. It did good. We had taco salad. You don't want to show in the refrigerator? There's an area in our refrigerator. You'll see way back in the back.
You better hush.
That's called Never Never Land.
Shush
Something gets pushed back there like those pickles.
You better shut up right now.
They never come back out.
You're getting me flustered. Go away. Shoo. Shoo.
That's taco meat?
That's taco meat. It's turkey taco meat.
Turkey taco meat. It was good. I'm so full.
Thanks. I'm gonna put that dark paper in.
Hey y'all. I am over here in Alabama, just below Montgomery. Stopped in the rest area, kicked the tires, make sure the restroom was clean. I am getting ready to head on over into Georgia and do my thing. I might hit this vending machine for just a second. Yeah, it's been an interesting day with Cindy. Cindy has been keeping the weather kind of crazy. But I just wanted to let y'all know where I was. Show y'all a few pretty flowers. Look at them little roses. So let's hit these vending machines and get back on the road. I got a couple interesting videos coming up tomorrow probably. Later. Arby's Farmhouse Chicken Salad. Bacon, chicken, sliced up tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, ranch dressing. I got me a little drink too, so it was $7. Way better than the McDonald's. Thank you. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am down here at the Atlanta OC. Y'all see that carnage pile over there? I am down here picking up a relay. Yeah. Trying to dodge Cindy. Cindy has been a pain in my rump. I have lost a lot of time because of Cindy. I don't know why she wants to do that. But Cindy's gonna have to get over it because I'm headed back to Mississippi. And gonna try to make this day get on down the road. So holla at you later. I've got to replace me a bulb. I'm gonna set this one there. And we are gonna dig this one out. We have to use the other hand to get in there. Give it a good twist. Alright, I got it twisted out. It's been shaking a lot in there anyway. So I'm gonna pull it on out of there. Alright, we have success. One blinker changed. I had this one as extra because the one on the other side blew out not too long ago. Been hearing a little belt noise lately, but it looks to be wearing okay. I think it's just the water. My air conditioner plug stops up. Sometimes I get water in the floorboard. Y'all got any cures for that? Later. Blowout. Yep, I was coming out of Atlanta. Just got stretched out pretty good. And my god darn trailer blew down a tire. Passenger side, inside, rear. I like it better when it's the inside tire. At least they know I didn't curb the bad boy. Anyway, I am at the Goodyear place. I limped down the road and come in here to the Pilot. They got a little tire place and they got me in line to get my tire put on my truck. They're gonna be pushing my time to try to get in there and get this load delivered. Anyway, we'll see how it goes later. Hey y'all, I just wanted to give you a little message. It kind of goes along with what I was talking about a while ago. Love one's enemies. This is one of my favorites. It's very hard to do, but it's a challenge. We should all accept this challenge. Ye have heard that it has been said, Thou shalt love thy neighbor and hate thine enemy. I say unto you, love your enemies. Bless them that curse you. Do good to them that hate you. And pray for them which spitefully use you and persecute you. That ye may be children of your Father which is in heaven. For he maketh his sun to rise on the evil and on the good, and sendeth rain on the just and the unjust. For if you love them which love you, what reward have you? Do not even the publicans the same? And if you salute your brethren only, what do you more than others? Do not even publicans so? But ye therefore perfect, even as your Father which is in heaven is perfect. None of us are perfect, but we are supposed to try to be perfect. Somebody is doing you wrong, try not to lash out at them. Don't be like the people out here in this world that makes the world such a bad place. Pray for them. Reach out to them. Be nice to them. And if all that fails, by George, you're perfectly welcome to leave them alone. Stay away from them. Ignore them. Most of us were taught when we were younger, 2 wrongs do not make a right. Or 2 rights. If you're both right and you continue to argue about something, you're just spreading a little negativity and a little hurt. You can both be right about the same subject in different ways. There's more than one way to skin a cat. There's more than one way to lease a truck. There's more than one way to run a truck. We all find our own niche in this life. It rains on the just and the unjust alike. That means even when it is storming so bad you think somebody's done made God mad, there's tornadoes going, hurricanes going, people are dying. The storms come over the area. It don't matter who's good or bad or what. It's life. You got to get up and you got to deal with it. And the last thing we need is for people to be arguing who can both be right about the same subject. People trying to hurt each other over nothing. Life's too short to spend it arguing and trying to hurt other people. When you've experienced so much pain, you do all you can to stay away from experiencing any more. Just this week, we've had things happen in our family that hurt my wife and my mom-in-law, and you know, it's sad when families go through things, you know, and You want to change it. You really, really want to change it. But in life, storms will come, rain will fall. We try to dry up the water, we pick up the limbs, and we just keep going.